The kid next door.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for liking our new series of paintings, and based on your comments and requests, I'm adding the instruction to our painting tutorials as well. So in this abstract painting, we first have to directly put the acrylic colors on our sheet. So as you see, after putting the colors, I'm using an aluminium foil, a crumpled aluminium foil, to dab on the colors. So you may use a scrap aluminium foil from the kitchen also to do this, and you just crumple it and keep on dabbing it. Make sure that you are dabbing it up down, not rubbing it on the paper, but dabbing it up down at the same place. So this is very important. First we do for yellow, orange and red color, and then we take another small piece of foil to do on the left hand side with yellow, green and blue shades, because they come from the same family. So in this way we are preparing our textured background. This technique will give a very thick coat on the paper, giving it a 3D look, a textured look, and trust me, it looks so gorgeous when you see it from a distance or far. Now after spreading the color, I am taking some white on a fresh aluminium foil piece and dabbing it from center to outwards on the right hand side. Then I take some yellow color and I'm adding over orange and red to give it more blended look. So when I add the yellow on orange and red, the shade of orange is becoming more prominent, as you will see. So you just put the color directly on the foil, spread it with a brush and then go dab, 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 dab. I enjoyed it so much, trust me. So I'm taking another fresh aluminium foil, putting yellow on it, and now I'll be covering the left hand side of the paper. So when I add yellow on green and blue, it's giving a light green texture. It is blending down the left hand side of my page. So remember, it's dab, dab, dab. You don't have to move the aluminium foil on the sheet, but just dab, 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 dab. So you keep doing this dabbing till you feel happy about it. Now I'm taking some more white to add some light in my background from the center, and I move outwards. Okay. So you see, you have to dab, 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 dab to make the dabbing uniform throughout the paper. So this white is kind of balancing the light on right and left side of my sheet, and I guess it looks just great. So we have to leave it for drying for a good amount of time, or you may quickly dry it using a hair dryer like how I have done it. And once it is completely dry, you will use a permanent marker to draw branches of the trees. So the tree that I have drawn, the base is in a heart shape. You may draw it from side or from center, but the main branch, the main trunk of the tree is going to be thicker, and as we go branching, the branches will come thinner and thinner. So when we do it using a permanent marker, it's very, very easy as compared to doing it from brush. So for beginners, using a permanent marker is just perfect. You see, there's a lot of texture on the sheet because of the thick paint, so it's a bit of a task to move the marker also, but the overall effect comes really, really gorgeous. So you just keep doing, keep making the branches as many as you like. Just remember, the farthest branch is going to be the thinnest. So you have to draw thin freehand strokes to give a real branch effect. And you see, the overall look has come out to be excellent. So amazing and so easy. So you can create your own masterpiece like this with the simple technique. Here is the complete picture. I hope you enjoyed doing it as much as I did. And if you like and you want to watch more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.